He didn't say anything. Oh my god, you jerk. Why? Oh.
No. This is not fucking happening.
Coffin. It's a coffin. I'm buried alive in a goddamn coffin. Push. Push. Yeah. We're not going to do anything about
Help!
This is your way of screaming.
Help!
Oh my god. Oh, hello.
Let me out!
Yeah, that's how you scream, Joe. Oh my god. Ooh. Nice.
Is there anyone there?
No?
There's no one out there, Joe.
Yeah.
You might as well give up now.
Why, you motherfucker!
It's easier that way.
So, I think you know him, guys. Of course you know him. So, that last voice that you heard right there, it is Cry's voice. The Cryotic, yes, on YouTube. You have to know him. You obviously know him because he's big. And I really love his voice. Oh my god. And I'm really glad. I noticed that it was his voice in the first time I played it, and I wanted to say to you guys that, and just talk to him, talk to them, because there are a lot of them. Who are
Who are
you?
you?
It's been so long.
Not that.
Forgotten their names long ago.
It all just doesn't matter when you're dead.
All there is left.
Is watching
And waiting.
Watching
and waiting.
Watching.
and waiting.
How do you know my
I
name?
don't know my name.
The magnets told us.
They told us all about you.
Maggots that look like people.
But you mustn't trust them.
Because they're maggots.
All they want
No shit,
is
Sherlock.
All that maggots want is...
To eat your fucking brain, Joe.
Funny fellas, them maggots.
Well, Crazy looks awful. Am I dead? I'm enjoying this so much.
Death comes slowly.
It's a process, you see.
All in the right time.
You have to extinguish all hope that's left.
So, start scratching.
I can't believe
Keep
it.
fighting it.
We all did.
Shut up. Just shut up.
But Joe,
We're not even here.
Oh my god, I didn't recall that laugh of Christ. Oh my god. Where am I? I'm not going to die like this. There's gotta be it. Where am I?
Where am I?
This place has many names.
Some call it the void.
some call it the grave.
Some call it 6 feet under.
Some call it the tomb.
But we like to call it
Wait for it, Joe.
The paradise.
of the rotten.
Flesh.
Why would you do that, guys? Why would you make him laugh like that? I'm not going to die like this. There's gotta be a way.
I'm not gonna die like this. There's gotta be a way.
Oh, but there is.
Look around you.
Closely.
It seems that someone's left a little gift for our good friend Joe.
Lucky him.
Always led a charmed life, this one.
Maybe they have a shotgun.
You know very well what it is.
Oh, they can
Joe.
hear my thoughts as
The
well.
only way out of here.
The only escape.
The question is,
Are you man enough to do it?
Do you have the balls?
will you do what you've gotta do?
No, no!
One pull of a
What the
trigger,
fuck?
and it's all over.
It'll only hurt for a second.
Be in charge of your own destiny.
I didn't
You
want
could
that to
never
happen.
have won that battle anyway.
It was lost from the start.
All there's left is to do the right thing and save your face.
Not that there'll be much of it left if you do fire that gun.
Choose a slow way, choose a fast way. Well, I'm a coward one, and I'm going to choose the fast way. Are you fucking serious? Don't go cry. Oh. Of course.
It's you!
Love you, Agnes.
What were you even doing in there?
I don't know. I guess the X-Men put me in there. I was just about to shoot myself in the head. I really believed I'd been buried 6 feet under the ground.
Was just about to shoot myself in the head.
Oh, come on. I did say that if you ever fall, I'll catch you. Remember?
Yeah.
Where are we?
Yeah, not a nice place. We should probably start looking for a way out.
Yeah. Follow me. And
Thank you.
thanks.
I really love you, Agnes. I really love you. Castor oil. I don't know what that is. Castor oil.
Hey, Joe? Why am I here? I mean, what is my purpose in all this?
You see, what I was telling you in the other episode. The game doesn't really give you a clue why is she helping us and why is she here in the game. But I think we have to figure that out by ourselves. I have absolutely no idea, to be honest. That's what I first told her. Doctor said you were important, but he didn't really explain why. Well, no, I think I got...
You're here to help me save my wife,
I
aren't
think
you?
this is it.
I didn't even know you had a wife.
Yeah. Well, that's why I'm here. I'll tell you all about it later. This just doesn't seem like a good place for this sort of conversation.
True. That freaking painting. I could swear it keeps looking at me. You ugly little devil. I hope you choke on that chicken. Or whatever it is that's in your mouth.
Come on. It's just a painting.
Just a painting, huh?
No, it's not just a painting because he looks at you. Can I blow? I don't want to blow, but I want to know what is happening when you blow a candle. But I'm not the jerk. I know what is happening if you blow a candle. It might kill my Ivy. They're not going to do it. I'm not going to take that. Oh!
This can't be.
Oh! We got
We're back in
to...
Quiet Haven.
Yeah.
Sure looks like it.
How?
Maybe this would be a good time to explain what's going on.
Yeah. 666.
Holy mother of...
666. Let's start from the very beginning. I'm just gonna cut this short.
Let's start from the very beginning.
Yay, story time!
It's not really the kind of story you'd like to hear.
Yeah, of course.
I expected that much, but let's hear it anyway.
I came here last night with my wife Ivy. We've been going through a rough patch with my life. My wife has this illness.
My wife Ivy has this illness. It's kind of weird. She goes on these diets that go on forever, and then she pretends she's okay, but she's still hiding it. But I'm not blind.
Yeah, she's going on a diet and I'm eating.
And I was worried as hell.
How about?
I needed to help her.
You have. You had to.
So I arranged a little romantic getaway. A weekend in a nice country hotel. This place.
Then she got all weird. But instead I think we actually broke up. But I messed it up again. I should have been a better husband. I think that's what happened.
But I messed up again.
I don't know.
I should have been a better husband.
What did you do?
I'm not even sure. She didn't want to talk to me at first. And when we finally got to our room, I kind of wished we never opened our mouth at all. And the next day she was gone.
Gone home?
No. Taken away. Kidnapped. I know this sounds absolutely fucking crazy, but it's something that lives in the mirrors.
Have you seen it?
Sort of.
Yeah. Yeah,
It's
we've seen
hidden
it.
away for now.
Where?
Inside the mirror. I'm not sure. It's really confusing.
Well, how do we get there?
This is the worst part.
Have to kill 4 memories of this monster to open the mirror.
I have to kill 4 memories of this monster to open the mirror.
What?
They're ghosts. Memories. Is anything here real anyway? This is all just a bad dream, and I'm not gonna think twice about it when it comes to saving Ivy.
But you can't. Dream or not, I can't believe you would do such a thing.
What choice do I have? I can't leave Ivy to die.
But you can't just murder somebody.
She's a fucking ghost.
Unless you already did.
Oops, I didn't.
I only gave her the syringe.
I'm starting to think I was wrong about you. Maybe you're not a good guy after all.
They're not people. They're hideous,
Yeah.
evil beings.
Yes.
And you really believe Ivy's inside the mirror?
Yes, she
Yes.
is.
You'll change your mind when you see them. The first one practically begged me to kill her.
Yeah. Still not a fan of this venture, I'm afraid. But I'll hold my judgment for now. Okay. Anything else I need to know about? Do we need to blow up an atomic bomb at some point? Are we opening an interdimensional portal for the man-eating beast to plunder the Earth?
Kind of.
You've got someone else's brain.
What? Whose brain?
I don't know. Some guy. He didn't really need it.
But I liked my brain.
It wasn't there. You can have it back if we ever find it.
Well, that's comforting.
What?
What else do I need to know?
I think I accidentally killed a cat.
I
Joe.
didn't kill him. I didn't.
How do you accidentally kill a cat?
I didn't. I was just trying to catch it. It was the X-Man.
It was the Axeman.
Yes.
Oh, never mind.
Joe, be honest with me. Are you some sort of psycho?
Mm.
Look, the cat had a key and I needed it. I didn't mean for it to die. I don't even know why I brought this up.
No, I should know about these things. Any more skeletons in the closet?
The hotel manageress likes me a little too much.
It's totally beyond me how any woman could like a guy like you.
There's nothing wrong with me.
Yeah.
Do you like her too?
No, she's crazy.
That explains it. Anything else?
No, that's pretty much all.
No, that's pretty much all.
Yeah.
Except, didn't you have something for me?
What?
Just before we got attacked by the Axeman, you said you had a message. A note or something?
Ah, yes! Completely forgot about it. Here, take it. Okay. Lead the way, dude. Let's go save your wife. She'd better be worth it.
Oh, I want to. Invitation card. Oh, examine. Signed invitation to the party of having taken place in function room A of Quiet Haven Hotel. It's got Joe Davis +1 written on it. Oh, +1. Oh, cool. You can bring her to yes. Oh, fuck you, bitch. You can't do that to me. So, I think we can go there. Locked. Of course it's locked. Of course it's locked. Oh, so this is the manager's thing. The manager seems to be the only staff member around here. Can we enter it? What are those paintings over here? And why does she have a hanger? Suicide hanger. Love it. I guess we can't do anything at all. Thank you for nothing. So that's locked over there. So how are we going to? Locked shut. Thank you. Alrighty. But you know what? I'm just going to end this here, guys, because I played it a lot. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I really love and I really thank you for everything you've done to me, boys and girls over there. Thank you for supporting me. And be a good kitten, and I'll see you in the next one.